So, I'm just going to show you guys where I'm going to do my pull-ups. By the way, here's the pool. You see that? the railings of the edge of the building. That rail, that is where I'm going to do my pull-ups. Not sure if that's 3, 2.5, or maybe some of you guys would say it's 0, but that's that. That's what I can do as of now. So guys, this is the 5th set, 5th set. One for good luck. So that's 16. Just going to rest for a bit. I'm going to continue doing up to 25.
Killer.
Sorry. Let's do that. Okay guys, so I didn't manage to show the whole thing anymore, but don't you worry. I didn't even come close to 7 sets of pull-ups, so I only did 2 sets. Even managed to come close. So I would just like to show you guys, this is my physique day 1. That's that. So hopefully you guys join me. Let's see what would happen after 30 days just doing this kind of daily, daily challenges, daily push-ups, and hopefully by some time, if I can manage, hopefully I can start, incorporating workouts again, like push, pull, legs, abs, things like that. But for the meantime, I'm just going to do daily challenges, daily push-ups, Zana here.